Welcome to Dome Mountain, highest peak in the Goldfield Mountain Range in Arizona. What you're looking at right there is 4 peaks. That is Weaver's Needle. Superstition Range with Flat Iron being the spot that drops straight down. That's Flat Iron here. So now we're looking at Apache Junction. Over towards Mesa in the south now. Looking across to the Usury Mountain Range. You can actually see downtown and midtown Phoenix. Downtown right there in the center of the frame. Now midtown right in the center of the frame. Turning around, looking north, Fountain Hills. The descent is always fun. Straight downhill and loose rock.
Request your free and beautiful Arizona relocation guide.